Welcome to today's video. Today I will be explaining about C++ programming. So these are the topics which are going to be covered today in this video. So first start with algorithm. What is algorithm? An algorithm is step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem. It is independent of any programming language. It does not erase programming language. It can be written in any language which can humans speak. For example, finding the largest number in an array. We can find the largest number in an array using some steps. So what is a program? A program is different than an algorithm. A program is the actual set of instructions which are written in a computer. It implements one or more algorithms. It can be executed by any computer language by using the help of interpreters and compilers. Like you can write a program in C language, C++, or even Java language. So now what is algorithm versus program? So an algorithm is like a blueprint or an idea of a program, and a program is the actual implementation of that idea or a blueprint. An algorithm can be best recognized as a blueprint of a house and program as the actual house which is built with the help of the blueprint. So now what is programming paradigm? There are many steps to write a program. There can be many types of program, such as procedural program, which has step-by-step instructions, object-oriented program, which uses object and classes, and it's a data-centric design, which uses objects. Then is generic programming, where templates are used and parts of code are reused. Then functional programming, where the program structure divided into modules called functions. It gives limited support and it is easy to implement also. Now let's learn about object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming focuses on objects and classes. There are some key principles which are with object-oriented programming, such as encapsulation, where data and functions are combined into a single unit. Inheritance, where existing code can be reused when a class uses implementations of other classes. Then polymorphism, where many implementations can take place in one class. Then is abstraction, which is also called a data abstraction, where internal details are hidden using private, protected, or public data access mode. Now let's learn what is a C++ program. So C++ program is a general purpose and high performance programming language. It combines both procedural programming as well as object-oriented programming. It is used in software development, game engines, or even real-time simulation. C++ is a good language in terms of its simplicity and its flexibility due to object-oriented programming principles. C++ is the most popular programming language which has many benefits and is used in many industries. Now let's learn about the history and development of C++ language. So C++ was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Laboratories at USA. It was first released in 1985 and it was an enhancement to the C language. It was aimed to introduce object-oriented programming features to C++, as C++ does not have that qualities of object-oriented programming at that time. So C++ was made from the C language. Stroustrup combined the best of two programming languages to make a language known as C++ today. The program structure C++ is similar to C language, only difference is that it contains object-oriented features. So now see the features of C++. It supports object-oriented programming OOP, which I have told in the early sections of the video. And the next is it also contains low-level memory manipulation features, which can be done using pointers. Has a good performance and is also close to the hardware. It includes standard template library where components can be reused, such as vectors, lists, or other data structures. It is compatible with C. It also uses the compiler, which can be used with C language. It is programmed in Dev C++ in C++. So object-oriented programming makes C++ code more modular, reusable, easier to manage. It improves maintenance and scalability of software. It mimics real-world objects, making designs intuitive. It is useful in large-scale systems and collaborative projects. C++ supports all the features of object-oriented programming, such as encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, and data abstraction. So now applications of C++. So it is used in game development, which is for Unreal Engine and game engine in which GTA type of games are made. Then is system programming, where operating systems and drivers are made using C++. Then embedded systems, such as IoTs and firmware. Then finance and trading, where high-speed trading applications can be made, such as UPI, banking systems, or even online transaction systems. Here we can see the difference between C++ language and other programming language. It's not so important. It's only for your knowledge. So now let's recall what we have learned in this lecture today. So C++ is a powerful, efficient, widely used language. It combines multiple particles, OOP and procedural. It builds strong programming foundations. If you learn C++, can build strong programming foundations. It's ideal for system level and high performance applications. So here is the total summary of this video. So that's all for today. For more such videos, you can subscribe to my channel and like and share this video and comment down below what are your suggestions and what are topics you want to know about. Thank you.